Oh, we got a car getting in the bay. We got spinning cars.
Sliding into the heartburn turn. Erik Jones is around. Alex Bowman is involved. The 48 of Jimmy Johnson had to stop. The 11, Denny Hamlin also there.
Oh, Alex Bowman, he had restarted 10th there because they did not pit. He was in line to get some stage points and got in that wreck. Well, Alex Bowman knows he's in trouble right here.
Hold on to it, lock it down.
Made a little contact with the back of the car, but I'm more worried about that 20 of Erik Jones. He made contact with the left front to the tire barrier. See what Denny does here. I don't think he had any contact with anybody. Maybe a little banging around a little bit there, but pretty lucky with not hitting his tires very hard, keeping the front steering and everything intact.
Back it up if you can.